GL. Welcome to the Wildly Funny Animal Show, where animals aren't just wild, they're weird, wacky, and wonderfully strange. Today we meet red lizards that strike poses, pit bulls that snore like tractors, and a bat that thinks it's Batman. Red lizard. This little guy looks like it walked out of a comic book. Funny fact, red lizards do push-ups when they feel threatened. Yes, actual tiny lizard push-ups to say, "Back off, bro." Bat. The flying night creature that sleeps like a vampire upside down. Funny fact, bats can sleep for 20 hours and they hang upside down like fuzzy socks. Imagine snoring while doing yoga. Tiger, the king of sneak attacks and jungle naps. Funny fact, tigers love water and take long bubble baths in rivers. Basically, the spa kings of the jungle. Iguana. This chill reptile looks like it's forever judging your fashion choices. Funny fact, iguanas have a third eye on their head, not for seeing, but for sensing light. They're literally lightheaded. Jaguar, the spotted ninja of the forest. Funny fact, jaguars bite straight through skulls and hide up in trees, like stealthy jungle ninjas who live in tree forts. Reindeer, the snow-trotting, nose-sniffing holiday heroes. Funny fact, reindeer click when they walk. No, really. Their knees make clicking sounds like a beatboxer in the snow. Fox. Cunning, quick, and always up to something. Funny fact, foxes jump straight up to pounce, like they're on springs. Also, they make weird screaming sounds at night. Spooky comedians. Weevil, the tiniest troublemaker in the garden. Funny fact, weevils pretend to play dead when scared. Dramatic, Oscar-worthy actors in the insect world. Lion. Big, brave, and very sleepy? Funny fact, lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. They rule the jungle from their nap zone. Basically, royal potatoes. Goat. Jumping beans in animal form. Funny fact, goats have rectangle-shaped pupils and love climbing anything, even trees, rocks, and cars. Crab, the sideways walking beach boss. Funny fact, crabs argue by waving their claws and bubbling foam, like tiny, angry chefs boiling over. Pit bull, dog, strong, loyal, and full of zoomies. Funny fact, pit bulls snore louder than most humans and make grumble growl sounds when they're super relaxed. Cow, the calm, grass-munching moo machine. Funny fact, cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. They even moo louder when sad. Bull, muscle on hooves and full of drama. Funny fact, bulls get confused by the color red, not because they hate it, because they can't even see it.